What is going on, guys? It's Weather here today. And today I'm going to be showing you my fireworks. And this little small fireworks, and then this one is the and I only got one thing that we're going to sell, so let's just get right into it. First thing we got is some Cracker Jacks by Wise Guy brand. It's empty, but I can put like poppers and stuff in it. Then we have an empty TNT popper box. I could put poppers in it for random room. They were 99 cents. Me and these strobe lights came in a cent. They're by Showtime brand. And I only have two left. I have a green one, green strobe, the fuse, the wick rope, and I have a yellow one. See, the wick was really long. So I have two of those left. And then I have these smokeless celebration fountains. Oh, and the stripes came into this one as well. And these are by September. These do not come in Minnesota. This for that is a big pack. And then we have about, I think, 15 Bunker Busters left. This came in Minnesota too. There's 100 in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, yeah, these are okay. Class crackers. There's 4 there. There's 4 more that would be 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 4, 8. 8. That's 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there. We have 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, hold on about 6, 7, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Yeah, I should have 39 because there was 40 in there. I just have a whole pile of firecrackers here. And I am going to do a Showtime brand firecracker bunker buster compared by the world classic crackers. I would open the pack and show you, but I don't have nothing like a thing to put them in, but I guess I can. Okay, so I'll show you what they look like. See, how do I get it open? Okay, I just opened one. I'm gonna open them all. This is just one pack of classic crackers. There's 16 on this thing right here. There's two ends. You can light at this end or this end. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There's 16 on this. I'm going to take one off. I'll show you what it looks like compared to one of the bunker busters. And then we'll get into the big stuff. Okay, it's got one of those quick fuses. So, class crackers, don't need that. I have a whole thing here. I'll just lay those right there. Give me one of these, and we'll do a looking comparison. Let's see. They're both the same size. One has green fuse and one has quick fuse. And this one's louder than this one. You put two of these together, it's probably louder. Two of these together, it's louder than that. So there's those compared together. So I'll put that back. I wonder if I'm gonna try to put this back on the line thing. Oh, that's not happening. Oh, would they fit in this? Would they fit in the loose firecrackers that I had to show you? Fit in this thing, the Wise Guy brand. Yeah, look at that. Firecrackers in there. So these are pretty good, and these, they're okay. If you let them all off, they're pretty good. So I'm gonna put everything back. Oh, as I was telling you, the poppets were 10 cents in here. And I did have a sparkler box. Okay. And then we had some sparklers. And the sparklers would be 49 cents. And the Morning Glories would be $2.99. So I paid nothing for the whole thing of those. Because my mama bought me some. And I paid $1.19 for them. Oh, and these firecrackers are on sale. They were $9. They were $9 now. They are $4.75. So we're gonna put everything back now, and then I'll show you my other stuff. I'll put these out because I have. Okay, so you're just gonna. This is what a pack would look like if you just bought one for like, I say about, these would be 50 cents if you bought one pack. So that's what they would look like. And then I'm gonna go on and, and we kept these premium, I kept this premium artillery shell too. They were $15. I kept it so I could shoot my rockets out of them. These were 15 at Ace, and I got the firecrackers at Ace. And then you have these artillery shells. These Showtime brand artillery shells. They were $10, and they came with a little plastic bag. But I used a plastic bag. I did not throw it away. I don't throw Excalibur tubes or nothing away. So we're gonna go ahead and get onto the big stuff here. I'm going to move it over here. We're gonna start off with the small stuff that goes up. We got these zips. The orange ones were buy one get one free. These ones were buy one get one free. These orange zips. I gotta find right there. These orange zips, and then we got these blue zips right here. They came in an assortment. That was the Wild Thing assortment. So we have those. And then we have these jump shots. That lets them know these jump shots. We have 3 left. They're by Showtime brand. These came in the assortment too. They just go up and crackle. No report or nothing. And then we have 3 wild geese rockets. 3 wild geese rockets that came in the assortment. 3 clustering bee rockets that came in the assortment. And then we have Yellow Star Roman candle by Big Fireworks 10 ball. And then we got 1 crackling candle by Big Fireworks 10 ball, and 1 green pearl candle by Big Fireworks 10 ball. I'll see you guys next time, and hope you watch the video and give me a like.